हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। आज हम क्लास 8 हिस्ट्री सब्जेक्ट के चैप्टर 9 के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स देखेंगे। तो चलिए बिना देरी किए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, रीराइट द स्टेटमेंट बाय चूजिंग द एप्रोप्रिएट ऑप्शन। फर्स्ट है, डैश वाज द फर्स्ट सत्याग्रही ऑफ इंडिविजुअल सत्याग्रह। आंसर, विनोबा भावे। नेक्स्ट, द नेशन वाइड मूवमेंट ऑफ 1942 इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड डैश। आंसर, अगस्त क्रांति। Next, in November 1943, Japan conquered Dash Islands and handed them over to Azad Hind government. Answer, Andaman and Nicobar. Second question, explain the following statement with reason. First है, in November 1939, Provincial Minister of Indian National Congress gave their resignation. Answer, the Second World War began in Europe in 1939. The then Viceroy Lord Linlithgow declared that India has joined the war on the side of the British. England claimed that it is the fighting to save democracy in Europe. The Indian National Congress demanded that if the claim was true, then England should immediately grant freedom to India. England refused to fulfill this demand, and therefore the Provincial Minister of Indian National Congress resigned in November 1939. Next question. The Indian National Army had to lay down their arms. Answer. In November 1943, Japan conquered Andaman and Nicobar Islands and handed them over to Azad Hind government. After some time, Japan stopped helping the Indian National Army as Japan accepted defeat. On 18 August 1945, Subhash Chandra Bose died in a plane accident. On this background, the soldiers of Indian National Army had to lay down their arms. Next question, the parallel government became a source of inspiration to the people. Answer, during the Quiet India movement, parallel governments were established in many parts of India. It rendered great service by doing work like opposition to money lenders, prohibition to liquor, spread of literacy, opposition to caste distinctions, etc. Due to this, the parallel government became a source of inspiration for the public. थर्ड क्वेश्चन, कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग टेबल। ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में फर्स्ट है फॉरवर्ड ब्लॉक, फाउंडर सुभाष चंद्र बोस। नेक्स्ट है इंडियन इंडिपेंडेंस लीग, फाउंडर रश बिहारी बोस। थर्ड है तूफान सेना, फाउंडर क्रांति अग्रणी जीडी एलिस बापू लाड। फोर्थ क्वेश्चन, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन इन ब्रीफ। फर्स्ट है, हाउ डू यू फाइंड द कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ शिरीष कुमार टू बी इंस्पिरेशनल। आंसर, at Nandurbar, the school children under the leadership of Shirish Kumar carried out procession holding the tricolor flag. The slogan of Vande Mataram was given. The police became furious and opened firing on small children as well. In this firing, Shirish Kumar, Laldas, Dhanshuk Lal, Shashidhar, Ghanshyam, these school children become martyrs. Next question, why did the British Prime Minister send Sir Stafford Cripps to India? Answer, during the Second World War, England supported America against Japan. The Japanese army reached the eastern border of India. The British realized that if Japan attacked India, then they will need cooperation from the Indians. Hence, the British Prime Minister Winston Churchill sent Sir Stafford Cripps to India. Next question, what kind of reaction was seen during the spread of news of arrest of main leaders of the Indian National Congress? Answer, the news of arrest of important leaders of Indian National Congress spread out all over the country. The angry mob took out procession at various places, even though police lathi charge and open firing on the public, but still people were not afraid. The agitators attacked some places, jails, पुलिस स्टेशन, रेलवे स्टेशन एक्सेट्रा। स्टूडेंट, यहाँ हमारे चैप्टर 9 के क्वेश्चन आंसर कंप्लीट हो गए हैं। अगर आपको वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगा हो तो वीडियो को लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिए। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।